So we have a raccoon that was in a fight with another raccoon. And I realized that when I saw how much noise they were making. So I immediately grabbed my camera and came outside. And I noticed that one raccoon was outside the fence, on the other side of the fence. And this raccoon was on this side of the fence. And the other one probably gave it some kind of a dirty looks or something. I don't know. So this guy got so scared that he started climbing the tree just to get away from the other one. So I have no idea what the heck is going on. Okay, so right now the raccoon is measuring the tree and scaling it to see if he can climb. And there he is. It is a professional tree climber. It climbs in such ease as if he's simply walking on the street or on the ground. Look at that. I mean, that is a steep climb, don't get me wrong. Then that branch is so skinny and so slim that anybody could fall. Yet it has such a good grip that it doesn't even budge. This is unreal, unbelievable. And it is pretty heavy. I mean, that thing is pretty bulky. So I have to give him that. It's not a joke to climb like that when you weigh like nearly 40 pounds. See my tree house there? I mean, a birdhouse in the tree? That little birdhouse is what's at risk. I'm afraid that the raccoon is going to go attack my little birds. Now that I see that raccoons can climb trees with such ease. Oh my god, nobody's safe. No animal is safe. This is crazy. It's unreal. No wonder they have adapted to survive despite such harsh environment, because they are so adaptable. They are so versatile. They know what to eat, where to go, how to survive, how to climb. This is unbelievable acrobatic movement. This thing is climbing on branches that are razor thin. And there are certain dry fruits. This is a loquat tree and it still has some dry loquats in it. But it seems like he's not interested. It's not even interested in those fruits. I hope he's not after my birds. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh no. It's coming towards the birdhouse. Oh no. No, you're not coming towards my birdhouse. No. Oh my god. Look at that. It's coming towards the birdhouse. Oh gosh. It's going away. But it's climbing higher. This thing is climbing higher. I don't understand. Where is it? Does it want to go? Oh, now it came down to the birdhouse. Oh no. Oh. Those birdhouses are not even raccoon proof. He's playing peekaboo with me. What the heck is going on? Okay, it's coming down. I hope it's not gonna attack me or anything. I mean, this thing is a good sized raccoon. I mean, this thing is at least 40 pounds, if not more. Oh, unbelievable. It's climbing up and onto another branch by holding the tip of that branch and working its way up to on that branch. This is crazy. This is something that I've only seen in Amazon forest by like squirrels and monkeys, not by a raccoon. Raccoons don't have acrobatic movements like monkeys and other tree climbers. This is unreal. This is unreal. Okay, so now it's off the camera again. What he's up to, I have no idea. Let's see. I see the tail. I see the... Okay. Okay, so I see the tail again. And you see this other birdhouse? The raccoon is the one who made it upside down. I'm gonna have to fix that. I have 2 birdhouses in this tree. Oh my god, it's going down from the fence. So basically it's going to the branch which touches the fence. And there it goes. It ran away and escaped through the fence. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it.